Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have discussed the remainder theorems and the long division method to get the remainder. Today we have the two problems, that is the NCERT problem. First is the find the remainder when x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1 is divided by 2x plus 1. And the second equations we have the find the remainder when x cube minus ax squared plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. Let's first solve it by the remainder theorem. The solution A. First we have gx is equal to 2x plus 1 and we have px is equal to x cube plus 3x squared plus 3x plus 1. Put the gx is equal to 0. So this implies that the 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 and this is 2x is equal to minus 1, and this implies that x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2, and the remainder is p minus 1 by 2. So remainder is p minus 1 by 2, which we have discussed the remainder theorem. So let's get the p minus 1 by 2. Put the value of x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 cube plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 square plus 3 into minus 1 by 2 and plus 1. Now see, this is minus 1 by 2 cube, this is minus 1 by 8 plus 3 into minus 1 square, this is 1 by 4 plus into minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now we have this is minus 1 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 1, and just get the LCM of all these terms. This is 8, or you can solve it directly. This is 8. The LCM is we have 8. This is minus 1 and 4 to the 8 plus 3 to the 6 and minus 2 4 8, this is minus 12 and 8 plus 8, this is 8. We cannot cancel out this 8 right? If 8 is common on all terms, then we can cancel out only 8. So this is check it, this is 6 minus 12 minus 6 minus 7 minus 6, this is 5 minus 12 minus 7 and plus 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. So that is the remainder in our equations if I put the p is equal to minus 1 by 2. And you can check it by the long division method. If you divide this one, this px by the 2x plus 1, we get the 1 by 8, right? See the next problems we have. Question number 2 solution. We have px is equal to, this is x cube minus ax square plus 6x, and this is minus a, and we have gx is equal to x minus a. Now let the gx is equal to 0, then x minus a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a. Listen, if the remainder is 0, if remainder is equal to 0, so that means the gx is factor of px, is factor of px. That means that the gx is multiple with the quotients and remainder is 0. So that will be that is gx into qx is equal to px, right? So that is called factor. If two numbers are multiplied, then both are the factor of the result, right? See, this is pa is called remainder. Pa, x is equal to a, we are talking about this x is equal to a, then pa is remainder. Now put the value of a in this polynomial. This is a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a and minus a, right? This is a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. This is a cube, a into a square, this is 1. Base are the same, power will be added. This is minus a cube plus this is like term 6a minus a, 6 chocolate minus 1 chocolate, this is 5 chocolate, this is 5a, and minus a plus a cancel out, this is equal to 5a. So what we have, so we have a remainder is 5a, right? This is called, we have used the remainder theorems, and if you want to solve these equations by the long division method, we can. So next sessions we will solve the remainders related problems by the long division methods. Thank you students.